When we think about communication, our minds often wander to instant messages, emails, and video calls. Yet for centuries, one humble object played a pivotal role in human connection: the envelope. This unassuming paper fold carried the weight of secrets, declarations of love, critical business correspondence, and diplomatic communiques. To understand its rise and eventual decline, we must first delve into its origins, its place in history, and the technological shifts that rendered it less essential in our modern world. Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. The story of the envelope begins in antiquity, far earlier than one might imagine. In ancient Mesopotamia, where civilization first blossomed, clay tablets were often wrapped in a thin layer of clay that acted as a protective covering, essentially an early form of the envelope. These clay covers weren't merely functional, they served as seals to ensure the privacy of the contents within. The practice of sealing messages continued as papyrus became the medium of choice in ancient Egypt. By then, the idea of enclosing written communication in a protective wrapper began to resemble the envelopes we recognize today. Though their purpose extended beyond protection, they signaled security and authenticity, as seals were often affixed to ensure tamper-proof delivery. The evolution of the envelope took a significant leap forward during the Middle Ages. With the rise of parchment and the growing sophistication of written correspondence, the need for better methods to secure documents became evident. Letters were typically folded in intricate patterns to conceal their contents, with wax seals bearing the sender's emblem used to close them. This process was an art form in itself, with each fold and seal a reflection of the sender's status and intention. These handmade methods, though beautiful, were time-consuming and limited to the elite. For centuries, this style of letter folding and sealing remained the dominant method of protecting correspondence, as the production of paper and its associated costs kept mass communication out of reach for most. The Industrial Revolution, however, marked a turning point in the story of the envelope. The invention of the envelope folding machine in the 19th century by Edwin Hill and Warren de la Rue revolutionized the way people sent letters. Their 1840 invention could fold paper into a consistent rectangular shape and apply adhesive for sealing, making envelopes affordable and widely accessible. Around the same time, Rowland Hill introduced the postage stamp in England, further streamlining the postal process. Together, these innovations made sending letters not only more practical, but also more secure. The envelope, now mass-produced, became a symbol of progress and accessibility, cementing its place in society. During the 20th century, envelopes reached their peak in ubiquity. With postal services expanding worldwide, the envelope was no longer just a tool for correspondence, but a cornerstone of commerce and industry. Bills, bank statements, contracts, and advertisements all relied on envelopes for secure and organized delivery. In this era, the simple paper enclosure became a blank canvas for creativity. Businesses began customizing envelopes with logos, slogans, and vibrant colors to distinguish their brands. Meanwhile, the introduction of the window envelope, designed to reveal the recipient's address without additional printing, added a new level of convenience, especially for businesses managing high volumes of mail. The envelope also held a unique role in personal communication. For decades, love letters, holiday cards, and handwritten notes were carefully tucked into envelopes and sent with the hope that they would bring joy to their recipients. Receiving an envelope with familiar handwriting became a cherished moment, as the envelope itself was often as sentimental as its contents. Yet even as the envelope reached these heights, the seeds of its decline were quietly being sown. The rise of digital communication in the late 20th century marked the beginning of the envelope's slow but inevitable fall. Email, introduced in the 1970s, allowed messages to be sent instantly and without cost, bypassing the need for physical delivery. By the 1990s, the internet had become a household phenomenon, and email quickly overshadowed traditional mail for both personal and professional communication. The once essential envelope began to feel cumbersome, expensive, and outdated compared to the efficiency of digital alternatives. As email flourished, other technologies joined in diminishing the envelope's relevance. Online banking eliminated the need for paper statements and checks. Text messaging and social media rendered personal letters nearly obsolete. Even businesses, which had once depended on bulk mail for advertising, shifted to email marketing campaigns that could reach thousands at a fraction of the cost. Despite its waning use, the envelope has not disappeared entirely. It has found a niche in the modern world, where certain functions still require physical correspondence. Legal documents, formal invitations, and ceremonial items like wedding cards often demand the personal touch and authenticity that only an envelope can provide. Moreover, in an age of instant communication, a handwritten letter sent in an envelope has taken on new meaning. It is now a gesture of thoughtfulness and intentionality, a way to stand out in a world saturated with digital noise. In recent years, the envelope has also enjoyed a minor resurgence in the realm of art and design. Artists and crafters have reimagined envelopes as objects of beauty, using them in scrapbooking, handmade stationery, and even as canvases for intricate illustrations. Businesses catering to premium markets have embraced bespoke envelopes, pairing them with high-quality paper and embossing to create memorable packaging for luxury products. These uses, while far removed from the envelope's original purpose, highlight its enduring versatility and appeal. Yet the envelope's era of dominance has undeniably passed, with postal services worldwide reporting declining mail volumes each year. Once a daily necessity, it has become a rarity in modern life. Its rise and fall exemplify how human innovation can elevate the simplest objects into tools of immense impact, and how those same innovations can render them obsolete. Reflecting on its journey, one cannot overlook the envelope's role in shaping history. It carried the intimate words of lovers, the strategies of generals, the decisions of kings, and the dreams of ordinary people. It bridged distances and connected hearts, standing as a tangible embodiment of communication in a pre-digital age that valued patience and care. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.